What up, everybody? Nobody knows me because I'm just starting this vlog. Need a haircut and everything, so better, I think. All right, so the purpose of this vlog, it's gonna be pretty crazy. I do like photo video stuff for work, so I'm gonna kind of talk about doing that and how to make money as a photographer, videographer. A lot of people they love it, they just don't know how to make money from it. That's what I do, some social media marketing, web design stuff. For businesses, I'm trying to break into more of the creative thing and see if I could do something like this. So hit that subscribe button, change my life if you want to. But introduce you to the dog. Extreme close up. Whoa! Whoa! You want to say hello? This is pretty much what he does all day. This is my my friend. When my wife's not here, he takes up the rest of the bed, and then when my wife is here, he takes up my part of the bed. Then this is the Gary V inspired office. So this is where I do pretty much all my work, and we set up this table. It's supposed to be for like eating and stuff, but we got it set up for all kinds of stuff right now. So whatever. And if this isn't overexposed, that's my view. It's pretty cool. Super glad we moved here. So that's the quick tour of the place. The whole purpose of this vlog, so I started this thing and I was just like, how can I kind of kickstart this? So I went on Facebook, I found a YouTube group, and I sent a message to a bunch of people, and then tonight we're gonna see how many people show up. But there are other YouTubers in the community, some of them are like just starting out. I have no idea how big or small any of these people are, but that's the plan for today. So I'm gonna go and get some work done. I'm gonna go out and do some photos tonight, trying this Sony A7R III. I was using the A7 III, and a friend let me borrow this one. So that's what we're gonna go do. And so I'm a photographer, here's some of this stuff. Okay, so that's the idea for this channel. So like if you're a photographer or a videographer person or getting into it and you want to learn some more stuff about it, you're just kind of starting out and you want to figure out like, how can I make money doing this? I'm gonna go over all that stuff, but it's gonna be funny. There's gonna be some like cool photos along the way. There's gonna be this cool dog. He's not gonna get up. And then there's gonna be the wife. She's about 3 months pregnant, so in 6 months I'm gonna have a kid, so that's gonna be pretty exciting. There's all kinds of stuff going on, but I got some cool stories to share, just like about my journey along the way of doing this as a business, and maybe I can help some people out, entertain some people, make some people laugh. But let's go. Gotta get some work done, and then we're gonna go shoot some photos. This is actually a pretty good day to bring out a brand new pair of shoes. I'll see you later, puppy. Oh, look at all the hair on this couch. Gonna walk instead of boosted board because I don't want to carry the boosted board around the place that I'm going to. So I'm going into this giant building. It's the library. They have a thing called the Melrose Center down here. where it's got like a recording studio, photography stuff, basically a whole bunch of stuff that I would probably actually enjoy, but I just haven't come down here just because I have some of my own stuff. But I'm sure their stuff is much nicer. It's not that building, it's this building. Hey, I'm here to like learn about the Melrose Center.
Yeah, of course. If you go to the second floor, okay. When you get up there, make a right, and then they have their desk there.
I'm not taking the stairs. I'm too lazy. Hey, I'm here to learn about this place.
The only way to figure that out is by
I have to get a library card. It's easier to get a driver's license than a library card, but we made it happen. Now I have to take a test in order to use all of their stuff. It sounds like Mr. Van Driesen from Beavis and Butthead.
And in the creative workspace only, in tumblers with screw-on lids. Editing work.
I got a 75 on my quiz, but that's still passing. I'm in, and I'm allowed to record. I just don't know where I'm going. They had like racing simulators, but they use them for like flights and learning how to operate heavy machinery. A recording booth. Another recording booth. Where you can like 3D print stuff. I don't know anything about that. Photo studio. I'm gonna do some green screen stuff there. Dragon. Fancy. Push to open. How do I get into the video production studio to look around? Green screen. Lights. There's a dude on a bike down there. Because I'm using my friend's camera today, I didn't hit the record button. I hit the shutter button, which is set up to record on my camera, and I didn't get the video. Okay, I guess there's people that don't know what a hype beast is. Anyways, he had like some crazy limited edition clothing and shoes, and that's what a hype beast is. But he's got like a recording session, getting into video. That Melrose Place was insane. They have all kinds of stuff up there. So they got photo stuff, video stuff. I gotta take some classes in order to get in there. All right, besides that hype beast that I just met, all right, this dude has a fucking crazy story. Follow him on Instagram.
Yo, what's up? Yeah.
I'm sure he's gonna tell the story on there. It involves like Kanye. This dude lives in my building, and I saw him on a rooftop shooting a Corvette, and I went out to join him. But like we were sitting here talking, and then some random dude came over and was like, "Yo, I follow your music," and he doesn't even know him. So like that's his first like.
That was fucking wild. In Orlando, at least.
Yo, that was insane. That was a long conversation. I'm way behind schedule. I'm gonna shoot some photos of that guy actually for his Instagram, since he's got a lot of cool things going on. So we're gonna see how that goes. Try to hold this camera steady with two hands. Does that look weird? Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead to this thing. I'm gonna get a Velcro strap made for the side of this bag because the clips that come with it suck. And hopefully that will hold this whole camera setup. I learned that from another YouTuber. Tomorrow at 3 o'clock, my magic strap will get made. I'm gonna go there. They don't know it yet, but I'm gonna sell my skills to them and do their website and their photos and their video. All right, next up, I'm about to go in the salon, look like a bum, and see if we can collaborate. But first I gotta stop here. Yo, that was sick. This is a pretty killer day. That guy has the Sony A9 and a Batis G Master 85 or G Master 85. I have the Batis 85. General contractor said he would pass my card off to owner of that restaurant that's opening up. That guy was like, "Hey, if it works out or whatever, I'll offer you a part-time gig as like the photographer there." So that'd be pretty awesome. There's a lot of stuff going on, but right now I'm gonna go shoot that Kanye kid because I want to shoot a photo today, every day. And then we're gonna meet those YouTubers at 7. We got a lot of going on. I'm gonna vlog this kid across the street. Vlogception. I have no idea who that was, but I haven't eaten anything today, so that's pretty brutal. I can't eat that taco place again. I've been at that taco place like 60 times since we've been here. They know my name. Gotta find something different than a taco place. Oh, the booster board, so much better. Wouldn't have met all those people though. The best part of the day. Are you ready? Puppy dogs! Puppy dogs! Look at the little wiggle butts. Look at the little wiggle butts.
Booty cash, booty happy, booty.
Booty hopping, booty cash, booty hopping, booty hopping.
It's burritos. I got burritos. It's not from the same place though, but I got 2 burritos because I haven't eaten anything. So I'm gonna eat this, and then we gotta pack up for the shoot at 4:30, and then be ready by 7 or 6 because I think people are getting here earlier. All right, so here's the predicament. I have my 3-foot that I want to use today for the shoot because it's easier to carry around. But I have my 5-foot, which is hard to carry around. This is on a Aperture 120D, which is a balance mount and a Pro Photo modifier adapter, and then that means I have to take that whole thing off the mount to put it on the Pro Photo one, and it means I have to put the 5-foot on here, but then that's gonna be, my wife's gonna complain about a 5-foot octobox hanging out and taking up like the view that we pay for, and the 2-foot beauty dish isn't gonna get it done in either one of these scenarios, so I don't know what to do. Oh. Looks like we're having a 5-foot octobox overkill for the YouTube setup until I get the initiative to switch these back out. So let's make that happen. Okay, the 5-foot I can assemble later. The 3-foot I can just take apart now. All right, one day, there's like some little guides in there that I didn't put it in. One day I'm gonna have to do that. Look how fat I'm getting. I only ate 1 3/4 burritos, and then I gave the other quarter to the dog because I realized that the people coming over at 7 plan on ordering pizza and stuff. Can't get away from it. Which means I have to put this on this and then this up there. There's no point in me doing it now, other than it looks more presentable if I have people come over later. Now it is. I'm not gonna kill my battery for this though. I think that's overkill. But we're ready with 9 minutes to spare. That's my wife, she's complaining. You gotta say hello. This is gonna be the first video. We're putting this on YouTube for sure.
We're putting this on YouTube for sure. This is video like number 27 that'll never make it to YouTube.
You have to practice. And then hold on. There's babies in there.
Babies? There's only one. There's only one baby in there. Are you ready?
There's only one. Okay, we're gonna go take some photos of this kid. I can't vlog this because I need to put the flash remote on top of the camera. Let's go. Edited photos already. Check out this banger. Going to get something to drink. Anyway, so I'm like super thirsty. So we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and get some Gatorade because everybody else is late. All right, so that was, I don't really have an ending for this because we did that meeting. It lasted a lot longer than I thought it would. The day was pretty crazy. Met some people, did some photos, did some things. Now I have to edit this, and I'm not like the fastest editor.
So this vlog thing is gonna be insane. So it's 10:17. Maybe I can sleep by 2, and then tomorrow morning we start it all over again. So hit that subscribe button and change my life.